The water looks so beautiful and nice and clear and calm and warm. Beach day, people. Beach day. It's been a minute since we went to the beach. Hey young fam, hey young fam, hey young fam. It's your girl Trisha. Baby's reversing. Leo can't talk, you know, like that when I do these things, right? So we're going to the beach, guys. Everybody ready? We soon see the people then. Arai's doing what she loves to do most. Sing, just like her mommy.
Yeah, but let them know how you sing. Do it for them. Do Jill Scott. Do Jill Scott. You're here. Hey. Look. Jill. Do it again. You're here.
I used to love singing when I was growing up, you know. Comment down below something that you enjoyed doing, even now, when you are smaller and even now. So guys, we're heading to the beach. We live, you know, a little bit further from the beach. It's been a quick minute since we've gone to the beach, but yes, so we're going this morning. Guys, we're only not paying a mind to the black spot. Black spot them, no makeup on the face. Guys, me there eat a lot of sweets where there, and they just show up in on my face. Be chocolate. So, how you feel going to the beach this morning? Feel hot? So guys, usually we'd prefer when the time is overcast, but we want to just go to the beach and come home, and we even little late at 10 o'clock already be. Yeah. So usually guys, with the young kids, they take a little bit to move out of the house. So what we wanted to do is to reach beach by 8 or 9, but the kids them said no.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So yeah, it's still a good time be, and I like start 10 or 1 or 2 or 3, don't? So we spend an hour at the beach and come home and get along with our day. As I was saying earlier, usually we like the time when it's more overcast, sunny, because I know that once you got the beach, you appreciate darker, right? Sunburn and all. But you know, yeah, water nice. Babies they love the water. Alright, and I rocking the same hairstyle. Yes guys, I'll be taking out my hair. I might show you a clip of Obi removing the hair from me. It's been a quick minute. This is me living the life. Since the hair has been in my head, right? Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Going to the... And I must say, Cayman have one of the only beach that we have gone to is 7 Mile Beach, and it's a very beautiful beach.
Nice beach.
Oh yes, sorry.
No, all that.
Where's the beach?
You know, remember how much beach you go to? West End way.
Oh, I know West. I know West.
Way. Or north side way.
North side.
Oh, north side.
North side. I totally forgot about that. I was just thinking, Obi was saying that. I was saying that the only beach we've been through 7 Mile Beach, but Obi just tell us a vacation last year. Just to remind me that we visited a lot of beach spots. on West Bay versus North Side, totally different though, Leonard. Like North Side probably more rocky, but for snorkeling, and West Bay side good for swimming. Yeah, that's what I think. So we're going to the West Bay beach, the best beach in Cayman. Alright? So yes guys, so we're heading to the beach.
Hello.
Mama, where you going? We have to go with Daddy and Caro. You're going all back. We need to find back her space, okay? Good girl. Can you hold my hand?
Carol, take off your slipper.
The water looks so beautiful and nice and clear and calm and warm. Hey babe?
Carol, I'm ready to swim. Let's go and swim. Let's go and swim. Come, Carol. Straight to the beach. Come.
Sand? You like the sand? Let's go inside. It's cold? It's cold? It's okay. It is cold.
You want to hold? No, it's time. There's no time for hugging.
Alright, give me Caro, take Araya. Leo, take Araya, give me Caro. Come, Caro. It soon come back.
Come on.
Alright? Oh, Mama, here, stand up. Go dust it out. You like water, Mommy? Show Caro how to swim like a big girl. Woo. Swim. Move your foot then. You good girl. She like the water, you know. You like the water too, Caro? Yes. Do you want to go and swim?
Yes, I'm going to.
Alright.
I'll get deep fast, man. Can I
Oh, so that means that those people are swimmers.
Not really, but just for them. For them high.
I'm gonna put this. Alright, looks happy. You happy, Araya? You happy, Carol? Want to swim some more? Alright, guys, come. I'm gonna put down the camera and we're gonna swim with my babies. Carol? So you remember, we're gonna tell the story tomorrow? Oh, are they at the beach? You know, you remember what you're doing now? You're making sandcastles with mommy? Well, Daddy and Araya are swimming. Remember? That one cup just spoil up the world, baby. I don't even know what that one cup comes from. The only cup in a 7 mile beach, eh? The beach is actually clear and clean. Making sandcastles with the boy. Before we go. You want else? Go like that. Go like that. Ooh. Good job, Carol. I'm gonna do it by myself. Alright, you want to do that?
All by yourself? Okay, do it all by yourself.
Oh, are you okay, Carol?
Come, let's do it all by yourself.
No, Lena, we can do it all by myself again. Hold him.
You can do it.
Tell him to turn it on the proper way.
Come on, touch. Next one. Good job. Go again. Sand in the eyes. Alright, sand in the eyes.
No.
Sand in the eyes. Come. Sand.
Come, Baba. And if play you want to play, you play this way, alright? You want to try the slide? Go.
Let's go.
We'll go. But like you need to wash off your hands, Papa, after the fact. Up. Go slide. After you slide, we rinse it off in the ocean again. Go up. Sit down. Sit. Yeah, I want that too sliding. Unlike the one over there, so it look dangerous. People, something go on later. Be careful, Carol. Yes, hold on. Leonard, this is dangerous to you. Yeah, alright, Baba? No more, okay? Alright, there you shake up your insides. No, this too slidey. Carrie, you want to drop again? Like that? How would that say? How would that say? Music I go play later, you know, Leo.
Mommy, I cannot do it.
You can do it. Just sit.
You can do it. What about hesitate now? Woo! Good job. How was that?
It's fun.
It's very fun. Alright. Where you do now? Rinse off and go?
Yeah.
Alright.
Daddy eat.
Yeah, we're gonna eat.
Mama has
Yeah, we're going back in the ocean.